All right, now it is time to take the stitches you cast on and to establish your knit 2 purl 2 rib pattern for the cuff. Once you establish this pattern, you will be ready to cast the circle round. Okay, so just like it says, you're going to knit 2 purl 2. In the process, you're going to also distribute the stitches onto 4 needles. 11 stitches on each needle. We begin with knit 2. 1, 2, purl 2, 3, 4. If you are a beginner and you've never done a purl stitch is done with holding the yarn in front, while the knit stitch is holding the yarn in the back. So 5 and 6 are going to be knit. 5, 6. 7 and 8 are going to be purl. Yarn goes to the front. You catch the purl from the back. 7. Yarn is in front. 8. Now knit. Yarn in the back. 9. 10. Now 2 purl. 11 and 12. Yarn in the front. 11. Keep yarn in the front. Put this needle to the back and take a new needle. Do 1 purl for the 12th stitch. Make sure you have good tension so that there's not a gap between the needles. Knit 13, 14, purl 15, 16, knit 17, 18, purl 19, 20, knit 21, 22. Yarn goes in the front. This needle goes to the back. You introduce needle number 3, and you start now with purl because these two were knit stitches. So 23 is purl, 24 is purl, knit 25, 26, purl, 27, 28, knit 29, 30, purl, 31, 32, knit 33. Introduce the 4th needle. This was knit 33, knit stitch number 34, purl 35, 36, knit 37, 38, purl 39, 40, knit 41, 42, purl 43, 44. And now you're ready for our little magical ritual, which you will learn in day 1 live stream video. I hope you can join us live. If not, you can catch a replay. You'll get the link in your email. After we do our little magical sprinkle of blessing our yarn and our tools, then we're going to cast the circle and close the round so that we can knit around and around for the cuff. See you soon.